Good afternoon, guys. Today in this little video segment, part of a learning series I'm gonna put on.
What are you doing?
About some boat canvas. That's what I do for a living. Is I make boat canvas and enclosures and covers and just repair boat canvas, just any kind of boat canvas stuff. So we're gonna put you a little series on here and do you a little show you some of how we do some of this boat stuff. And it's all right. We're back in the shop with our blank piece of canvas that we used to make the pattern on the boat down there. And we're gonna draw this thing out, and then we're gonna cut it up and start sewing it out and get it ready to become a full-fledged cover here. So hang out with us for a while here and we'll make a boat cover. Hello. All right, guys, we got all these darts sewn up in this thing. I'm gonna spin you around here and let you see what a sewn up dart looks like. So these are the darts in the fabric. We sew those up first, and then we'll take this thing and we're gonna stretch it back out here on the table, and we're gonna lay it all out, put all the edge marks on it so we know where the edges are. All these marks are where snaps are on the boat. Snaps, and this is a cutout right here. Snaps, and this is a line up mark for the front cover, so we know where to put all the Velcro where the cockpit cover attaches to the front cover. We'll get this thing stretched out here and we'll do some layout on it. So we have it all drawn up. We got all our lines marked out on the edges. Now we're gonna go around and cut it all out, and then we'll go back to the sewing machine and we'll start sewing it all together. We'll make some flaps for the cutouts for the Bimini top, and we'll put a 2-inch snap reinforcement all the way around the edges of it on the inside, and then we will bind the whole thing out, and we'll have us a new cover made up here. So stick with us and we'll get the rest of this done.
A few inches later.
All right, guys, we got our canvas all made up for this this boat here behind me. You can see we've been working on that blue canvas to go on this boat. We got a bow cover made up for up here on the bow, and then we got a cockpit cover made that covers the windshield, made up to go up here on the cockpit and cover up all the boat. It all snaps on here to the snaps that are on the boat. It's all a snap-on cover. So we'll get this cover on here, get the snaps put in it, and we'll be finished with this here. And we'll just call the customer and let them come get this thing. But let's get this canvas put on. There we have it, guys. We got our new canvas on our boat. She looks like $1 million.
$1 million.
She's ready for another 15, 20 years of service there. So it's just that easy to get all new canvas made up for a boat. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and just remember, I offer services for teaching how to do canvas work. If you want to learn how to do it professionally and get some really good results, you just, like I said, put it in the comments below, contact me, we'll get you hooked up with some professional canvas lessons, or we'll hook you up with some professional canvas work. Thank you again. Like, comment, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.